We sold our house and moved in here. We fixed what we could. But we didn't finish. We were out of time and we had to move in anyway, late at night. But it's worth it, even if that's our kitchen and this is the bathroom, because we found the perfect land that was full of surprises. We even found the spot where we're going to build our future cabin. But first we have to make this 600 square foot barndominium into something we can actually live in. One area that we really knew we could save money on would be the counters. So the whole kitchen would be based on making a counter out of this. But there was a lot to do before that point.
Slowly. Nice.
Does the fridge have to go there?
Yeah, I could go there.
We were planning to put it there.
We were?
Yeah.
Who's we?
Me and Mom.
Well, that's where the ice maker drains. The water comes to it. So it's where the fridge pretty much has to go. It's got an ice maker.
Well, I think the stove would look better here because then you actually have a reasonable amount. I mean, you don't have much, but you have like some counter space. Because if you put it right beside it, that's weird. If you put it here and then you have just a tiny bit on each side, that's useless. So I gotta go to work, unfortunately. I have to leave you to it.
Okay.
We'll see what happens.
Blue packing materials is one. Get it. It's got to go against the wall once I'm distributing. How much more can the snow go over?
The fridge could go a little.
It'll be surprisingly good. Okay. You want to go that close?
Yeah, because we're going to push the stove back.
See there? Ooh.
Then what? Probably not the same height.
Doesn't matter. Somehow he just fixed this while we were all at work. Well, anticlimactic. Should we do it over? So they're sitting on the... I can't see it.
There's a big stamp.
Well, we're going to sand that off in just a second. Here's the deal. Do we take off?
I don't know, half an inch or something?
Maybe.
She said she wanted it to be lined up with the stove.
With the stove, okay. Well, I'll just take this.
Right?
Yeah, I think so, but who knows? All right, that one right there has got a little problem, so we're gonna see if we can get him joined up, okay?
Okay.
Look at that. Still got a little problem.
How about this?
Yeah.
Would it not just, when you do the glue and
It'll
clamp them together?
Oh yeah, it'll clamp together.
I mean, would it just maybe squeeze it together?
Yeah, let me run them through it about one more time. That's about the best we're gonna get it. I got mine, you get yours. Yeah, see, this is gonna probably work once we start clamping. All right. Here we go. This is gonna take up some of that space you're talking about, you know?
What do you mean?
It'll just kind of fill in. See there?
The gaps.
It's hot in here.
That's what I was telling you yesterday.
I believe you.
Olive and Ginger were sweating.
Alright, watch this. Alright, feel these and see if they're, see this one's whacked a little bit. Is your end good out that end, so?
Yeah.
Pretty good, okay.
So you just sandwich it?
Mm-hmm. The problem you gotta watch out for is you'll get it cupped.
Very smooth.
Not bad.
A little bit less smooth right here.
Maybe
Feel
just
this
a
one.
board and it's smooth here and there. I'll just sand it. That'll be it.
How long do you think this has to dry?
2 or 3 hours.
Oh.
Then
I was
we
thinking
can-
days.
No.
This really was about $14. We had to get a couple of these little biscuits, the glue. The board itself, of course, was about $10. Food grade mineral oil was slightly more expensive, but it really didn't take that much. Even if you didn't have all the tools, as long as you had a sander and a way to cut the wood, you could definitely do this really cheaply. And the kitchen turned out pretty cute.